Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Creating with Mimi. I'm so excited about this video. It's the fall decor. I've been planning it for quite some time, but I'm going to go back a little bit and let you guys take a look at some of the previous fall decor. I think this was last year or the year before last. First off, I have a jumping off point or my piece of inspiration. And this table that I saw at market this year, both of these tables, this is my inspiration point. I love the table. I love the channeled wood, the two different levels, a marble top. I ordered these two tables. However, I've got a back order date until May of 2023. Problem solved. Nothing's going to stop me from creating this look. I go to the consignment store and I try to find tables that match the description, size, diameter, and start with a base, and this is what I came up with. I know it looks crazy, but I think I can pull this off. I go home and I am trying to take off the extra logs around this table, but the height is perfect. It's taller than the inspiration table because I thought the inspiration table might be a little too low. So sometimes when you don't get what you actually want, it works out better for you, and this is what this piece is doing. So right now I've got a jigsaw that I'm taking off the excess pieces of wood that's around this table base. All done, and everything is all safe. I'm putting the large piece of tool away. But this is what it looked like. I needed to saw through all of those screws. I actually don't even know how they put that table together, because I needed to saw through each and every one of those screws in order to take it off, and it was jigsawed together. It was not going to come apart on its own. This is the base. I will be creating a video to show you guys in more detail how I created the two tables. For now, I'm just gonna skim through it really quickly. These are dowels that I picked up at my local lumber store. I am just making sure they're all straight before I start to attach it to my base. Table all complete. I've got a gorgeous tabletop. Now I am chalk painting the top of the table. I didn't want the expense of going to get a marble piece, so we're gonna paint. This is the second table. It's the wrong color, perfect height. So I'm sanding the color down, and I will keep it natural. I think the natural wood underneath this is so gorgeous. Now, keep in mind the before table, the legs are not the legs that I'm looking for. So I will be installing new legs, and they're round. They're about 6 inches in diameter, and it's real wood. Love that aspect.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about.
Now it's time to start putting things together. I will be taking up the throw that I had down. Check out this rug. It has texture. It's a jute rug. I love these rugs. This particular one is soft on your feet for indoors, but check out all of the dimension in this rug. It goes very well with Old Faithful. This sofa I have had for about 15 years. To be honest with you, I was going to make a slipcover and do a video showing you guys how to do that, but I ran out of time. So for at least another year, she will have this color on there, and she's not in bad shape. I just wanted a different color. Check out this gorgeous table. I'm so excited about the finished product of this table. Guys, this table retails for about $2,000, and I have made this table for hundreds of dollars. Less than $500, I made these two tables. Now it's time to accessorize, and we've talked about these pillows. I purchased them from IKEA. They're just the case. They actually look like a $100 pillowcase, but they're only $20, I believe, or less than $20 at IKEA. They weathered really well. I did purchase 2 additional chairs. I'll insert a before of what the chairs looked like before, but these are much more gorgeous, a bit more comfortable for me. They tie in very well with the overall decor theme that we've got going for this year. Would you look at all of this color, texture? I cannot be bored. As I'm putting this video together, I am so tickled about these 2 pieces, so I'm so glad. I don't want you guys to forget about the low lighting, and that's just lighting around your area. Instead of it just coming from above, it should come from the sides, behind, and it's very aesthetic pleasing. Now, you guys know I love a good vase. I purchased this vase at West Am. It's oversized. I absolutely love the color, and I know it's probably washing out a little bit, but it is the perfect color taupe. It is just gorgeous. So I'm going to accessorize with this smaller vase, which is white, and I think the colors are popping off each other very well, and it just works. Keep in mind of what the inspiration table looked like and that whole setup. I think we're coming pretty close. I'll say this again and again. I'm so excited because this is hundreds of dollars and my time versus thousands of dollars. So we're just gonna accessorize a little bit, and I'm playing with what I want for floral inside of the vases. Switched it up. I thought the floral was too much for the 2 vases on top of the larger table. It just looked a little bit crowded. So I'm switching that out, and I'm gonna place some floral inside the smaller vase and see how I like that. Do you love it? Look at those colors. It is so yummy and just interesting, and I just love the fact that they're playing off of one another. The rug, everything just came together. Any items that I can link in the description box, I will link them below, or I will link something similar to it so that you guys can purchase as well. adding a few more points of texture, and I'm going to do that with pillows. Enjoy the video. I had such a great time creating this space. Until next time, make every single day a great day.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the open kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the open kind of new way? Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the open kind of new way? Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.